Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to show Kadak Reaction. I'm Mohammad Chavez, and today I'm gonna react on a fight scene from Artugal Ghazi, Artugal Terrace, Artugal or Recession of Artugal. So this fight scene is from the season 5. This is called Artugal Sun Best Fight Scene, and I'm quite far for season 5 because अभी मैं season 2 में हूँ and I have to watch more two seasons to reach there. So yeah, but this is the most talked about season and I think it will be fun to watch this scene and doesn't matter मैं बहुत दूर हूँ तो अभी मुझे सीन देखने के लिए बहुत टाइम है सो why not I just react on this scene. So I just planned it because this is the most recommended scene. So let's start the reaction. उससे पहले अगर आप लोगों ने मेरा चैनल अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, नोटिफिकेशन बेल रिंग कीजिए फॉर मोर एंटरटेनमेंट. यू कैन बी योर पेट्रियन इफ़ यू आल्सो वांट टू फॉलो ऑन फेसबुक ट्विटर इंस्टाग्राम, जिसके लिए डिटेल्स हमने दिए हैं. ओह ओह उस्मान. He's alone, man. He's going to rescue them from them.
Nasıl kurtulacağız baba?
I just remember the season 1 जहाँ पर Artugal rescue Halima Sultan and his father and his brother. But yeah, that was a very different type of scene for sure. And even he is in the same way, you know. Oh.
Uzaktan kaçıyor. Ormana doğru kaçın çabuk.
Even they are giving the subtitles in Urdu. Oh.
Nereden çıktı bu çocuk?
He's brave, man. He's all alone fighting with them.
Silahından kaçın çabuk. Durmayın. Boşuna kaçmayın, kurtulamazsınız.
I don't think this will end in this way, but yeah, what if Artu will come to rescue him? क्या बात है.
Yanlış adamlara bulaştın çocuk. Sonun ölüm olacak. Gelin bakalım. Kimin sonu ölüm olacak?
Oi. Oh, he's gone. I think someone will come here to help him. Oh. Oh, he's wounded.
Hayır, yapmayın. Kıymayın o çocuğa.
What was that? Oh, who's that now? Oh, girl.
Anne!
Oh, I saw her in the clips, man.
Gebertin hepsini. Hayır. Bizi zorla kaçırıyorlardı. Bu iyi çocuk da bizi bunların elinden kurtardı.
Dayan yiğit çocuk. De bana kimsin sen? Ve oğlu Osman.
Okay, so I have seen her in the clips, there are a lot of clips, but I don't think she's gonna be. Is she playing a positive role or not? I don't know because I don't know what role she's playing. But yeah, there are some scenes जहाँ पर okay, let it be. But yeah, coming to this fight scene, yeah, I just can see how brave he is because we all know about the Usman's history. We have learned about him and we all know about him. So he was a brave man, like his father, because we all know जो भी इस series को follow कर रहे हैं, they all know about his bravery, Artugal bravery and all. So I know उनका बेटा डेफिनेटली उतना तो बहादुर होना ही चाहिए. बट या वी ऑल नो के उस्मान इज़ डेफिनेटली, उस्मान की स्टोरी बहुत बहुत लोगों को पता है ओटोमन एम्पायर के बारे में पढ़ कर हैं. बट या अर्तुगरुल स्टोरी वॉज नॉट सो रिवील्ड एंड ऑल्सो उनकी स्टोरी के बारे में कन्फर्मेशन नहीं है. जितने भी बुक्स हैं जहाँ भी लिखा है, दे आर डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ parts. Yeah, but yeah, they making the history on that. So yeah, coming to the scene, the fight scene was just amazing. The way the guy, the Osman, at this age he's fighting, that's amazing. आई थिंक बहुत दूर बजाना है पड़ेगा मुझे अभी, बिकॉज टू वॉच एंड टू नो व्हाट्स हैपनिंग, हु आर दोज पीपल, वाई ही इज़ रेस्क्यूइंग देम एंड वाई ही इज़ अलोन देयर एंड हु हेल्प्ड हर फॉर शो. बट या इट वॉज द अमेजिंग फाइट सीन. या दैट नॉट सो अमेजिंग बिकॉज अर्तुगरुल के मैंने जो डिफरेंट फाइट सीन देखे हैं, इट्स अ वेरी रियलिस्टिक एंड ऑल दो स्टफ. बट या यहाँ पर देयर वॉज नॉट समथिंग लाइक दैट बिकॉज या द स्मॉल गाय इज फाइटिंग देयर, दैट्स अमेजिंग थिंग. बट या व्हेन द गर्ल कम, they have choreographed the scene based on the ability. But yeah, it was just amazing. I just love the part where he come and rescue, and also जहाँ पर he fight with all those people. That's amazing, man, because I know कि जब अर्तुगरुल का the way he is, the way when he rescue the हलीमा सुल्ताना, so even he don't think he is alone and he just come, उसके बाद उनके friends आते हैं, all those stuff. So that's amazing. But I just loved it, man. I just love this scene definitely. Well, let me know if there are other scenes should I react other than season 1, because almost season 1 मैंने पूरा देख लिया and I'm starting to watch the season 2. If there is any video from season 2, season 3, season 4, season 5, let me know in my comment box and let me know should I review the season 1. So I will definitely do that. So ये था मेरा रिएक्शन अर्तुगरुल फाइट सीन के ऊपर. आई जस्ट लव इट. मेरे तरफ से तो इस वीडियो को थम्स अप. If you guys love the video, please let me know in my comment box also. If you guys want to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, इसके डिटेल्स हमने दिए हैं. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, नोटिफिकेशन बेल रिंग कीजिए फॉर मोर एंटरटेनमेंट. एंड इफ यू गाइज वांट टू सेंड अस समथिंग, उसके डिटेल्स हमने डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए हैं. दिस मोहम्मद शाविज साइनिंग ऑफ.